Local media outlets are reporting that both the Raleigh County Prosecuting Attorney's Office and the West Virginia State Police are investigating the death of Michael Cochran. Michael is the late husband of Natalie Cochran, a local pharmacist who filed for bankruptcy after a civil lawsuit claimed they were involved in a Ponzi scheme. Newswatch reporter Anna Saunders, she's live in the studio with more. Anna?
Thanks, Terrell. Today I spoke with Natalie Cochran's bankruptcy attorney and the Raleigh County prosecuting attorney to give them both a chance to address the leaks. While Natalie Cochran faces a lawsuit and a bankruptcy filing for an alleged Ponzi scheme, it has been reported that the prosecuting attorney's office and the West Virginia State Police are investigating the death of her husband, Michael Cochran. Michael Cochran died in February of this year, and according to Natalie's bankruptcy attorney, to their knowledge, his death certificate still says natural causes.
Well, what Ms. Cochran has told media, which she's told anyone who's asked, was that her husband had vomited in the sink, wasn't feeling well, and hit his head during a seizure. But I think it's important to notice that the first thing she did was she called law enforcement. She called a first responder, sort of a package deal. Two people came at once, and he didn't die right away. You know, it's important to know that she made sure he received medical treatment. He went to Raleigh General. He went to CAMC. He died in hospice 5 days later. I mean, the rumors that are anything other than that are just hurtful and meant to create the kind of distress that they're creating.
And Dunlap says the distress is also affecting Cochran's children.
When they should be mourning their father, when they should be getting over the death of a loved one, instead they're fighting Facebook battles.
I gave Raleigh County prosecuting attorney Kristen Keller a chance to address the leaks that came from her office about the alleged investigation.
I already, because of the amount, I have already issued a harsh memorandum to my entire office. It was a reminder, because everyone, when they take the job here, is reminded of what the rules are. And it was said in huge letters, be quiet. But as to private parties, whatever part, I have no control over what private parties, and I'm not criticizing them because they operate under a different set of rules than prosecuting attorneys.
And Keller did say under the rules of professional ethics for prosecuting attorneys, she cannot, nor can anyone in her office, confirm an ongoing investigation.
Even if hypothetically it is under investigation, no one should conclude from that there is any evidence of wrongdoing or any guilt by any party.
We are all innocent until we're proven guilty of something. Bad feelings for people in the blogosphere often are because those folks have very specific motivations. And let's just keep some common sense. A person with no criminal history does not magically become a serial killer.
Now I reached out to the state police and no one was available for comment. Now Terrell, back to you.